Construction workers, long days spending lifting, twisting, maybe you're standing on uneven surfaces. It's no wonder that your lower back is screaming at you. A couple minutes a day, a black diamond massage ball. We can position it just above the top of our hip, underneath, over top of the glutes. We can either stand against a wall, it'll be a little bit less intense, or we can lay down on top of our back for a little bit more intensity. Just a couple minutes a day can have you moving better, lifting stronger, and hurting less.